In today's tutorial, let me show you how you can find liked videos on Reels. Start by scrolling to the bottom of Facebook and clicking on Videos. After that, go to the top and click on Reels. Then in the top right corner, click on the profile icon, which looks like a person. Next, scroll down and select Videos. After that, click on Like to see the Reels you've liked. Now browse through the liked Reels and click on any to view them again. You can share or take other actions with Reels as you like. And there you have it. You've successfully found your liked videos on Reels. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.